What's up, guys? I just got back from vacation. I had a few friends hit me up and tell me that they seen my crash video on FAILARMY. So, kind of neutral about it. A little upset they didn't give me credit, but it's cool that I'm famous, I guess. So, let's jump into it. Of course, they put my crash on the end. They saved the best for last. Famous. Whew. Still gives me the chills. Brings back memories. Scarred for life now. One hell of a story, though. I didn't even fail, punks. Give it a thumbs down just because they didn't give me any credit, any recognition. But it is the internet, so whatever. Alright, guys. See you next video. Haven't been writing much lately. This definitely is winter. Alright. Peace.